Lashes. So, are they necessary for a makeup look? I would argue yes. I seriously feel like my look is not done unless I'm wearing my lashes. Maybe it's because I'm like crazy and obsessed with makeup now, but whatever. You clicked on this video, so let's talk about how to put them on. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of my beauty breakdown for total beginners. If you've been here before, welcome back. Thanks for being here. Seriously, appreciate you guys. If you're new, what's up? My name's Amy Renee, and I'm here to teach you how to slay. Okay. That one was a little over the top. You can see we're picking up where we left off in the last video. Well, I have my base, my eyebrows, my eyeshadow. So now the next step, lashes. Today we are going to be talking about lashes. It's a game changer, y'all. So without further ado, let's just hop right into this. Come on in. Hello. Welcome to another episode of Amy's Face. Really close. Just kidding. Okay, today we're gonna be doing one of my favorite things, lashes. So, are they necessary for a makeup look? I would argue yes, but no, they're really not. You don't have to do them, but oh my gosh, do they just add to the glamour and the drama, and oh, I just feel like they tie everything together. I seriously feel like my look is not done unless I'm wearing my lashes. Maybe it's because I'm like crazy and obsessed with makeup now, but whatever. You clicked on this video, so let's talk about how to put them on. So today, y'all, the lashes I'm gonna be using, I pulled them out of the box already, but this was the box. They're the Allure Jasmine Brown Curly Queen lashes. I am obsessed with these right now. They are so cute, and I wore them in a look I did on Instagram a few days ago, and I double stacked them and they looked bomb. So that's what we're gonna be starting off with. So first step, putting on lashes, curl your real lashes. This is important, especially if you have really straight eyelashes, because you don't want your eyelashes sticking out like this and your fakes are all like up here looking pretty. You want them to look flush. So we're gonna curl our real lashes, and then if you're like me, if you have blonde eyelashes, this is really important, but put a coat of mascara on before you do your lashes. I know that I do not agree with a lot of people on how they do their fake lashes. I honestly can't stand when people put mascara on after they put their lashes on, because it's like you're just ruining your lashes faster. You can, I don't know if everybody knows this, you can reuse eyelashes, like a lot. You can reuse them a lot of times, especially if you take care of them. And when you're putting on mascara, every time you're putting them on, literally you are just ruining the wear time. It drives me nuts. Obviously do whatever you want, but oh my God. So I'm gonna put this on before I put my lashes on. I'm basically just gonna give them a coat so they all, for me it's so they're all black and they're all one color and they're gonna match with my fake lashes. And I didn't tell you guys, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Honestly, my favorite mascara. I haven't found one that I like more in years. So it's affordable. Okay, so now we have some mascara on. So now our eyes are ready for the taking. So I'm just gonna take these lashes. They have been used before, but I have done my best to remove any of the previous glue. This is what they look like. These are super cute. So what I'm gonna do, I like to apply my lashes with tweezers. I know it's kind of scary thinking about getting tweezers close to your eye, but if you're careful, you will be okay, I promise. You can also use your fingers, so whatever you wanna do. But I'm gonna take the lash, squeeze it between the tweezers like that. I'm gonna take some glue. I like to use the Duo glue. Personally, I prefer the one that dries black. This one dries clear. This is all I have, so this is what I'm gonna use. And I am just going to put a very small coat of this along the lash band. And I mean small. Like try to make it as thin as possible and put a little extra on the corners because those tend to come up first. Okay, then we wanna wait, I don't know, say 15 seconds or so for this glue to start getting tacky. If you put it on right away, the glue is still really wet and it just won't stick. So you wanna wait till it gets a little bit tacky before you go ahead and put it on your eyeball. The next thing, once the glue gets tacky, I learned this actually from MUA Black Swan. Shout out MUA Black Swan. If you haven't seen her video, she's awesome. I like to kind of look down. So I have my mirror. I have my mirror from my Too Faced palette down here. And I'm literally just gonna basically set these on top of my natural lashes. I think MUA Black Swan has a video on this. The metaphor she uses is like putting a book on a shelf. That might be it, that might be wrong. I might have made that up. But basically, just look down and set it right on top of your regular lashes. I set it in the middle first. So I pick where I want the middle to be, and I set it there first. Then I'm gonna pin down the outside corner, and I'm gonna take the tweezers and I'm just gonna squeeze the lash band of the fake lashes closer to my real lashes. Just be careful when you're doing this. Obviously, you don't wanna stab yourself in the eye. And then the last part I'm gonna do is take the front piece and glue that down. And then again, just kind of pinching the lashes together. Again, you can do the pinching with your fingers if the tweezers make you nervous. I know some people freak out when they see me get tweezers to do this. And then I would just, keep going over the lash, press it down, make sure everything is glued down, is looking good. The other thing I forgot to mention is before you're putting on your lashes, you want to size them. Just put them on your eye before they have any glue on them and see, are these gonna be too long as far as width goes? And if they are, just trim a little bit off of the end. I tend to trim a little bit off of the outside corner with the bigger lashes, just because if you're missing the shorter lashes, you don't have that nice, I don't know, they just don't look right. So trim them if you have to. That is a really important step. I should have mentioned that earlier, because if you have lashes that are too long, what can happen is you'll have it all the way down here past the corner of your eye, and it'll make your eye look really droopy. So if you ever see people with fake eyelashes and their eyes look droopy because of them, it's probably because those lashes are too long for their eyes and they need to trim some off of the end. All right, so that is set. The glue is pretty much dry. Everything is in place. Now this is a little trick that I use if I'm not using eyeliner. If you're using an eyeliner, it makes it a lot easier to put your lashes on. You have a little bit more room for error, because basically the black of the lash band is going to blend into the black of the eyeliner. If you don't have eyeliner on, like I don't today, because we didn't do any for our eye look, what I like to do is I will take a liquid liner. This one is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liner, something with a really small, fine tip. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find where the lash band ends on the front portion of my eye, and I'm gonna draw the thinnest black line down to the inner corner of my eye. So there's not, it doesn't you don't see just black stop right there. And I'm also gonna take the really fine point, and if there are any points where my natural lashes and my fake lashes are obviously separated, you can kind of see the shadow in between them, I'm just going to take the point of the eyeliner and just dot it in there. Literally, I'm just dotting it This is going to help this blend with your natural eyelashes so much better. Once I started doing this, I had a lot more people start asking me oh my God, are those your real lashes? And they couldn't tell. That's how you know you've done a good job. And that is that. So let me go ahead and pop on my other lash and I will be right back. All right guys, so I have both lashes on. You can see they are both in place. They're not going anywhere. That's important. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not a lot to putting on lashes, honestly guys. It is just a little bit of practice. I know it's a bit intimidating, but just try it a few times and I promise it gets better and it gets a lot easier. So just follow the few steps I gave you, little tips. And yeah, also keep your eye out for the next video. On Tuesday, we're gonna be finishing the look with a lipstick. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be a fun one. It's also gonna be a pretty fast, easy, simple one. So don't forget to give this video a like, comment if you guys have any questions, need any clarification, or you just wanna say hi. I would love to chat with you guys in the comments. Please subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified every single time I post. And don't forget to follow me on all my other social media profiles. Those will be down in the description and also on the end card. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.